The world buzzed like a hive. Too loud, too fast, too much. Each headline, each ping, a thread pulling me tighter into a web of chaos. I could feel myself unraveling, piece by fragile piece. My heart cried for stillness, but the noise drowned it out. I was lost, adrift in the storm of a restless world, searching for a shore I could not see. And then, a whisper, a quiet call to leave the noise behind, to trade the concrete and chaos for something softer, gentler. I followed it, hoping it would lead me home. With every mile, the world softened. The hum of the train replaced the clamor of my mind, and for the first time in what felt like forever, I breathed deeply. Each inhale was a thread, stitching me back together. The mountains rose like sentinels, ancient and steady. They didn't ask for anything, didn't demand my attention. They simply stood, waiting, as if they knew I needed them. Up there, the world fell silent. The chaos I'd carried melted into the earth below. The mountains spoke in whispers. You are enough. You are whole. Let go. In the stillness, I found my truth. Peace isn't the absence of sound. It's the presence of something deeper. It's the quiet rhythm of a heart finally in tune with itself. Rest is a sacred thing, not an escape, but a return to who we are, to who we've always been. And here, in the arms of the mountains, I found myself again.